friendly, so to speak. This particular customer has opted to implement some covered parking areas. The covered parking will have solar panels on the roof. The solar panels will actually offset the entire electrical footprint of the building, including the running of the crane and the coming and going of the boats.
So, you know, the entire system runs on electricity, whether it's the stacker crane that's running up and down the aisle, runs on electric motors. It's nice and quiet. The boat lifts, as most of these boat lifts are, they're all electric. And right now we're considering doing covered parking. And on our covered parking, we're going to put solar panels. And we've already figured out that the very first row of parking that we have out here in the marina, covered with solar panels, will give us a net zero emissions. So essentially our footprint on the electrical grid will be a net zero. We could probably pretty easily actually add to the electrical grid if they would allow us to, but they won't allow us to. So the best we can do here is provide a facility of this size and not be any drain at all on the local electrical grid with these new solar panels that are coming. We're working towards LEED certification, which allows us some other opportunities, but the most important thing is how we take care of our environment, from the electricity with the solar panels coming in and running the entire facility, to even where we wash our boats, we recapture all our water, we treat it, and we reuse that water, so nothing goes back into the bay. You know, the rest of the surrounding community really is not impacted by these facilities, and you know, they can all be engineered in that manner, so that's pretty cool.